I'm Adriane Grace, and I'm an estate planning and disability attorney in Frisco, Texas, where we help our clients create meaningful legacies with confidence and grace. And for over 10 years, I've been helping clients make important decisions about their Social Security benefits and understand the process for how to apply for those benefits. So before I give you my top tips for how to complete the Social Security application, I want to give you a little bit about my background. I started my legal career as an appellate attorney for the Social Security Administration. I advised the Chief Administrative Appeals Judge in the Washington, D.C. office. There I got in-depth training and knowledge about all of those rules, and so I know all the tips and tricks of getting approved and where you need to fill in evidence for your case. Tip number 1. First, determine if you are eligible for the Social Security benefit you want to apply for. There are many different Social Security benefit programs you can apply for, including retirement, disability, and survivors. What you can do is go to ssa.gov and create an online account where you can download your benefit statement, check your earnings record and your tax payment history, and determine whether the benefit you're applying for is one you're eligible for. In most cases, you need to be a U.S. citizen or permanent resident, and you need to have paid into the Social Security tax system. Tip number 2, be prepared before you make the Social Security application. If you're applying for retirement, make sure you've downloaded that statement from Social Security and checked it to make sure your earnings record is accurate. If you are applying for disability, be prepared to list your jobs that you've held for the last 15 years prior to the date you became disabled. You will also need to be prepared to provide Social Security with the names, addresses, telephone numbers of all doctors and hospitals you've seen in the last year since you became disabled. If you're making an application for a special disability claim called Supplemental Security Income, be prepared to tell Social Security about all of your income and all of your resources that are available to you. My third tip has to do with how you communicate with Social Security. Most of these applications can be completed online. However, there may be some paperwork that comes to you in the mail after you've completed your application. Be prompt about completing that paperwork and turning it around to Social Security in the time required. They often provide you envelopes to mail that information back in, so please use the envelopes they provide to you. You may also call Social Security, but keep in mind that there are long wait times to get on the phone with one of the representatives. So adjust your expectations accordingly if you decide to call. Additionally, Social Security representatives are not allowed by law to give you advice. So don't be surprised if the information they provide is confusing or even a little misleading. And that brings me to my last tip, which is really just a point I want to make anyways. Social Security rules can be complex and very confusing. I've seen other attorneys not understand what these rules mean. So if you find yourself confused or unsure about what to do next, you may need to hire a Social Security attorney. We've helped many of our clients navigate this confusing process so they could get peace of mind about their benefits. When you're ready, please reach out to our office for a free consultation, and we'll help you make that next step.